Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design this part. To design this part, we will use Extrude Boss command and Extrude Cut command. So let's see how to design this part. So to design this part, I'll go with the top plane and select the sketch command. Initially, I'll take one circle and one more circle. We'll specify all the diameter of the circle. One circle diameter is 22. Second circle diameter is 32. Now I'm going to create one line that is exactly vertical and will specify this to be exactly horizontal. Then we'll specify the distance between line and the center of the circle, that to be 88, and we'll specify the total distance of the line, that is 60. I'll create one more line here that is of 40 distance, and I'll make one more line making this line equal to this line. For that, I'll select both lines and make them equal. Now we'll take a line from this point and put a line on the coordinate point. Same I'll do another side and exit. Now we'll select Extrude command. We'll select this portion and extrude it. So total I need to extrude 10. We'll do OK. Now I want to extrude that circle, so we'll use the same sketch instead of creating again. We'll select the sketch, we'll go to extrude and we'll select this contour here. Now we'll specify the total distance in first direction is 50, second direction that is 10. OK. Now I'll making the back portion of this. We'll select this back face, select sketch option, and then we'll take a rectangle here. We'll specify the rectangle. I want to make exactly till this edge, so I'll make it collinear. We'll specify the total distance of this 30, and I want to make two circles. So instead of cutting also, we can draw at the time of sketch also, or we can make a holes also. So I'm making with sketch itself and specify both the circles to be equal, diameter to be 10. We'll specify the distance between them is 30, and for maintaining exactly at mid, we'll give one distance 15. Now we have to define exactly from the bottom how much for distance it have. It is total 10 distance, and we'll maintain the relation between both the circle, that is horizontal, and exit. Now we'll select the sketch, go to Extrude command, reverse the direction, and total 10 distance I have to extrude it. Do OK. Now I want to remove some material from this face. We'll select the side face, sketch, we'll take a rectangle tool and we'll specify the total distance from the edge. It is 15. This width is 3. This size is 16. Exit. We'll go to Extrude Cut tool and we'll cut completely by using through all method and do OK. Now I'll select this face, sketch. I want to cut some holes. For that, I'll create some circles. Maintaining all the circles to be vertical to each other and specifying to exactly center for this part, it is 8 distance, and between each hole we have distances 20. So this distance I'll specify 10 distance here to make it exactly centered. Now we'll specify the diameter of circle is 10, and I'll make all the circles to equal to this. Exit. Now we'll go to Extrude Cut command and we'll remove this material. Now let's assign appearance on this. So here we can take some appearance method that we want to apply on that. Let's go with some metal appearance, and I'll take this time polished gold and OK. So this is how we have completed this part 40. Thank you for watching this video.